To encrypt individual folders with a password on Windows, you can use third-party encryption software like Veracrypt. Here is a step-by-step guide using Veracrypt. Visit the Veracrypt website www.veracrypt.fr and download the appropriate version for your Windows operating system. Install Veracrypt by running the download installer and following the on-screen instructions. Launch Veracrypt from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. In the Veracrypt main window, click on Create Volume. The Veracrypt volume creation wizard will open. In the volume creation window, select the option Create an encrypted file container and click Next. Choose the default option, Standard Veracrypt Volume, and click Next. Specify the location where you want to create the encrypted folder container, a file that will act as the encrypted folder. Click Select File and choose a location and name for the container file. Click Next to proceed. Choose an encryption algorithm and hash algorithm for the container. Default options are typically secure. Click Next to continue. Specify the size of the container file or choose a predefined size. This will determine the maximum size of the encrypted folder. Click Next when done. Set a strong password for the encrypted folder container. Ensure the password is memorable or securely stored. Click Next to proceed. Select the file system for the encrypted container. The default option is typically fine. Click Next to proceed. Click Format to format the encrypted container with the chosen settings. This may take some time. Once the formatting is complete, click OK and then exit to close the Veracrypt volume creation wizard. In the Veracrypt main window, select a drive letter from the available options and click Select File. Choose the previously created container file and click Mount. Enter the password you set earlier to unlock and mount the encrypted container. Once the container is mounted, it will appear as a new drive in Windows Explorer. You can now use it like any other drive, creating folders and storing files within it. The contents will be automatically encrypted and protected. Remember to dismount the container when you are done working with it to ensure the encrypted folder remains secure.
Please note that this method encrypts an entire container file rather than individual folders. The container file acts as a secure folder where you can store and access your files.